If you're thinking of purchasing an electric bike, you're probably wondering what to look for. You're probably confused by the vast array of models. So what makes a great e-bike? You'll want one that can deliver power, range, and a comfortable ride. In this video, we'll look at the different factors that affect these attributes. Here is a great unit on Amazon you should consider. This unit comes with various features, so make sure to read the reviews to see if it fits your needs.
After much research, I decided this e-bike was the way for me to go. I had tried the regular Swagtron E7, but without the gears I found it very difficult for me to use when needing to pedal only. This E7 Plus is great using either motorized or in pedal mode. It's easy to assemble, easy fold, takes up little space in storage, has front light, rear reflector, kickstand and is ready to go out of the box. I have bought numerous accessories for convenience such as rear carrier bar and trunk for storage. Of course, a lock-in side mirror for extra safety. I like very much that it comes with a removable key-locked battery. It is very easy to understand the on-handlebar functions for usage during motorized mode. Nice power in 3 speeds plus distance at approximately 18 miles is fine for a very affordable e-bike. The only downside at the moment is purchasing a second battery, which is not available even from the manufacturer. I always been buying Swagtron products since the beginning. I owned the Swagcycle and that little thing was awesome. So the EB7. 95% of the time I got this thing on mode 3 and don't pedal much. Gets me about 10 solid miles going 17 miles per hour average I would say. Obviously downhill it hits 20s and up H. Brakes are great which you need in NYC because people step into bike lanes and you sometimes have to stop on the dime. Another reason I like it is the speed. It's just fast enough. Any faster and I could see myself getting hurt in NYC. I wear helmet. Also I don't get bothered by police on this e-bike because it has pedals I'm assuming. The Swagcycle did not have pedals and I was stopped by NYPD for that. Overall this bike works perfectly for what I need it for and I have the extra batteries so once my bike runs out I easily swap. Accessories that I think are a must are these two. The gel pad for the seat. The seat for me regular was not too comfy. Number 2, get a splash guard for back tire. I picked one up at local bike shop for $10 in Astoria 50th Street and 30th Avenue. Great bike, great price. Thanks again Swagtron. After just about a week with the EB7 Plus I must say that this bike is more than advertised. Beautiful color, changeable removable battery, 350 watt hub motor, folding and mine is quiet once gears were adjusted. Easy to ride for getting around, enjoying the outdoors. It is also a conversation piece as everyone wants to hear about what it is. I did have to spend some time to learn the pedal assists, but lucky it has a 0 mode and just ride. Spent 2 days after getting a stand to adjust the gears as it came only really able to ride in the middle gears 2 to 5, and I definitely suggest to get the gears set up right. I learned a lot and was relatively easy if you have the know-how and bike tools with many YouTube videos to guide you. The replacement battery is essential for longer trips, but due to the 7 gears still an easy ride home without power. Compared to the previous EB7 or EB5 with 1 gear, this is a defiantly not robust for off-road with the 16-inch rims. Click the link in description for more reviews.